Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing the iPhone XS Max. This one is the 64 gigs version, and I also have this one also. This one is the 64 version, is the iPhone XS. I'll be unboxing them both today. I'll be starting with this iPhone XS version. I think this one is the black version, right? Yeah. Oh yeah. So let me see. Right. Designed by Apple in California. That's pretty cool. So this is what it look like when you unbox it. It looked very nice to my eyes. Look over here, and you just split it like here and right here. I think it looked very nice on my. Let me try to turn it on and see. Yeah. So right is turned on, and let me show you what is on the box. This is thing on the box. There's the adapter over here, 5-volt adapter, and they also the headphone jack, and then the cable is right over there. So like it's gonna be just like this, very simple. So the phone is right here. Let me try to set up it and notification. I mean, it's pretty cool. It's a very cool smartphone. It looked very nice. Yeah, I like it. I'm iPhone fan, so like everything for me, I think is perfect. Yeah, this is what it looked like for the iPhone 8 one. It's kind of a little small, I guess. And this one is gonna be iPhone 8 XS Max. It's looking very cool, very nice. I love it. I mean, it's bigger because I have very long hand, so the bigger version is always better. Yeah, I like it bigger. So this is what it look like inside. The size is, it look exactly like the iPhone 8 Plus, but have more screen. This phone, you guys, is a lot of screen. Look out over here on my hand. Yeah, I just turned it on. So this is the same thing also. They just have like USB type. They also have like the adapter over here, 5-volt adapter, and the headphone the same as the other. But let me show you guys the difference between these two. Look at the screen over here. Look, this is big different. It's like old screen. I love it. This is like a way to go. I mean, just look out over here. Everything is cream. This is what it look like in general. The color, I choose the white version, and I also choose the black version just to show you. I think I prefer the white version because it look more classier. Yeah, it looking very cool. I love it. Yeah. That was today for unboxing, you guys, and thank you very much for watching, and make sure you like these videos and give a thumbs up. Bye.